Hey everyone, welcome to Code with Krishna. If you are preparing for a Java interviews, you are in the right place. In this series, I will break down Java coding problems step by step using execution tracing so you can fully understand how the code works. Today we will start with a simple and commonly asked question. How do you check if a number is even or odd in Java? Let's get started. Here we can solve this program by using two ways. One is by using a static input and the other is by using a dynamic input. Let us see how the static input is going to solve this program. This is static input program. In the program, we have given the input as 5 as a static input, and the 5 is an odd number, it is displayed out as an output. Let us check the other number as 6. The 6 is also an even number, it is displayed. Let us see how the dynamic input is going to work. In dynamic input, we are going to use an import statement and import a scanner class. A scanner class which scans the input given by a user, and we are storing the input as num. This is the dynamic input program, and in dynamic input program we can also give a negative numbers like minus 1, minus 5, minus 10 as we wish. The scanner scans the number and gives output. Let us see some minus numbers and plus numbers. Let us trace the program now. Here number percentile 2 is nothing but number which divisible by 2 and makes result as 0. If the number is divisible by 2 and makes a result as 0, which is known as even, and if the number is divisible by 2 and makes a result as not 0 or 1, which is nothing but an odd number. I hope this breakdown helped you understand how execution and tracing works. If you found the video useful, Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Java interview questions. See you in the next video.